Hello everyone, today I will talk about gamification and game-based learning. But first, what means gamification? Based on the incorporation of components of the dynamics of gaming learning context, with which seeks to increase motivation and concentration of the student in front of the area of study. Gamification is about the application of game-like attributes to motivate and encourage the learners to achieve the desired learning outcome. And what about game-based learning? Its purpose or design focuses on education and is not very competitive. The game and participation are its goal. What difference gamification and game-based learning have? On gamification, students might win or receive positive feedback, highlighting the competition as opposed to game-based learning. Optionality is a characteristic of game-based learning, while in gamification, all is already designed with a specific objective. The difference between gamification and game-based learning is that gamification, you apply game elements in existing context, and in game-based learning, you use existing games or specially developed serious games to learn. In game-based learning, the game is the learning experience, whereas in gamification, the game components are added to the traditional instruction method. How these trends might be adapted in a learning process? First, must have a clear learning objective. Motivation, competence, age, and involvement of the student in their learning process is very important. Teachers can create exciting learning environment that increase student engagement. Gamification pulls from elements of game design such as gaining points, getting on the leaderboards. It is very important to know the experience, devices, and gaming platforms available. But finally, the fun always be the most important thing here. Some examples of this are puzzles, role, and bingo games that are embedded into a lesson. Let's see some advantage of these trends. Gamification and game-based learning might be versatile. Both can communicate with fluency and fun. Both strategies will implicate different levels of planning, but goal is almost guaranteed. And gamification can promote better learning and academic production in our schools. Teaching will be fun always. Some disadvantage, or just maybe one. There really aren't many disadvantages, but planning might be very important here, and students will get distracted sometimes. But the huge thing or problem here are cost and equipment. And that's all. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you enjoy this conversation. Bye bye.